Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls&Indigo, and I make videos about spirituality, journaling, goal setting, mental health and awareness, and my story. It's time for the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt for November. Every month I like to share my answer to the spirituality journaling prompt and give you an idea if you feel a little stuck or not sure, where to go with the journaling prompt. I like sharing my private journal entries to open up a dialogue between us. All you have to do is just comment down below what your answer to the spirituality journaling prompt was, or you can email me. My email address is in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get into my private entry for this month's journaling prompt. What skills do you have or skills that you practice support your spirituality? From time to time, especially lately, I let my supporting spirituality practices fall to the wayside. These are times when I am most stressed or worn out. During these times, the only skills I practice are ones that are already habits, that automatically foster connection for me, which is what spirituality means to me, connection. These habits are looking at the stars every night from my bed and tending to my plants. My other skills that support my spirituality and shine in the times of happiness and calm are meditation, yoga, journaling, reading books that align and reinforce my morals and spiritual practices, and turning my positive thoughts and wishes into actions through the symbolic means of spell work and blessings, and then taking 3 actionable steps to making those dreams, goals, and intentions come true. So, what was your answer to the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt for this month? I'd love to know in the comments down below, or you can email me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!